Hello and welcome to one more episode of Quantum Tutorials. In this episode, let us understand about the responsibilities of each component that we have in a reference architecture extensions type of project. In one of our previous videos, we have looked at what are the various components that are available in a reference architecture extensions type of project. Basically, we understood that if we have a vision of creating an app as a product which can be used for customizing the functionality in the app for various customers using the various components that are available inside the reference architecture extensions type of project. We also understood that in such type of a project we'll have components such as forms representing the UI screens inside the application, form controllers which will have the implementation of functionalities for every action that the user performs on the form, presentation controllers and business controllers are the part of reference architecture extensions components, and the models which will have the references to the object services created inside Fabric. Now let us look at what are the responsibilities of each of these components that we have in the reference architecture extensions type of project. So the activities that you can perform in a form controller component that is part of reference architecture extensions type of project are getting the data from the widgets on the form, setting the data to the widgets on the form, performing validations on the data entered in the widgets that are there on the form. So basically, a form controller will have functions that will deal with interacting and getting the data and setting the data to the widgets that are there on the form, and performing any validations that are supposed to happen when the data is entered in the widgets that are there on the form. So these are the activities that are recommended to be performed in the form controller components of the reference architecture extensions type of project. What are the activities to be performed in a presentation controller component of the reference architecture extensions type of project? Data processing is the activity that will perform in the presentation controller of reference architecture extensions type of project. So every module that you create in your project which is of type reference architecture extensions will have a presentation controller associated with it. In that presentation controller, one of the main activities that you will perform is data processing. In the forward flow, when the user is interacting with the widgets on the form, you will be invoking a function that is implemented in the form controller associated with that form to read the data entered by the end user in the widgets on the form, and from the form controller you would invoke the functions which are there in the presentation controller. So in those functions that you implement as part of presentation controller, you would process the data received from the form controller before giving it to the business controller. Generally, the data is processed in a way as it is expected by the Fabric's object services. The data that is captured from the UI widgets might have to undergo certain data processing, and the structure of the data might have to get updated in such a way that the Fabric's object services can use them for further processing. Similarly, in the backward flow, presentation controller processes the data received from the business controller before giving that data to the form controller. The widgets on the form might be expecting the data in a certain structure so that they can use that data and show it on the form. So in the backward flow, once the business controller gives the data to the presentation controller, you would do processing on the data to structure the data in such a way it can be used by the widgets that are there in the form. So data processing is one of the responsibilities of the presentation controller. As a developer, you will have to write the implementation related to data processing in the functions that you create inside presentation controller. Presentation controller also deals with navigation between the forms. Whenever you want to navigate from one form to another form, that navigation logic has to be present inside the presentation controller associated with that module. You should not write the navigation logic either in the form controller or in the business controller. The presentation controller makes use of navigation manager or the navigation object to navigate from one form to another form. So the two activities that you need to perform as part of presentation controller are data processing and navigation between the forms. Let us look at the activities to be performed as part of business controller. Business controllers present in the modules of the reference architecture extensions type of project are responsible for interacting with the fabric layer. Basically, invoking the fabric services by using the generated models which represent the object services layer inside the fabric. Along with that, all the invocation of integration services and identity services and orchestration services should also happen from the business controller's components present as part of modules inside your reference architecture extensions type of project. Interaction from the front-end application to the fabric layer should not happen from anywhere else inside the application. Only from the business controllers, you will have to write the logic or you will have to do the implementation to make your front-end app interact with your fabric app. So these are the various components that we have in a reference architecture extensions type of project and the responsibilities of each component. Rather, we can also say as a developer, these are the types of activities that you have to implement as part of each of these components present inside the reference architecture extensions type of project. Thank you.